Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to be sharing my detailed and super moist banana bread recipe that is so delicious to enjoy. Everybody is going to love it. I made this for my family and it was finished in no time. You guys, it was really that good. For ingredients, you're going to be needing some flour, some sugar, some vegetable oil, some evaporated milk, baking powder, 1 large egg, baking soda, and of course your overripe bananas. The first thing you want to do is to combine all your dry ingredients together. I'm going to add in the sugar into the dry flour, then go in with my baking powder and my baking soda. It is very important that you sift your flour before combining it with other ingredients. This is going to help to achieve a very smooth texture of your banana bread. Make sure you mix until everything is well incorporated into one another. The next thing you want to do after that is to mash your bananas. I use the fork to mash my bananas, but you can use a potato masher, a spoon, or just anything. The aim is to achieve an almost smooth-like texture of your bananas. That is why it is very important to use overripe bananas. After working this for a while, this was what we have, and this is the perfect consistency that we were looking to achieve. I'm going to go ahead to set that aside and proceed to the next step. The next thing you want to do is to combine all your wet ingredients together. First thing first, the mashed bananas go into my bowl. Then I'll add my vegetable oil. Proceed to cracking in 1 egg. Then I'll go ahead to mix this until it is very smooth. Make sure you take your time to incorporate your ingredients one into another. This is going to help to achieve an overall smooth banana bread. After all of that is well incorporated, I'm going to go ahead to add in my evaporated milk. Then I'll give this another good stir before setting that aside. If this is your first time coming across my channel, you are very welcome. I am Ised the chef, and on this channel I share amazing and mouth-watering recipes and different types of kitchen hack. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the bell-like notification button so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Now the next thing you want to do is to combine both wet and dry ingredients together. You want to do this gently so that you do not make a mess in your kitchen. Also, be careful not to overmix your batter. This can lead to a tough and dense banana bread instead of the moist banana bread that we are looking to achieve. For toppings, I'm going to be using some peanuts, some cashew nuts, and some almond nuts. At this point, I was just crushing the peanuts to give it a finer texture. This is what everything is looking like. The next thing you want to do is to line your baking pan with some parchment paper. This is going to prevent the banana bread from sticking to your baking pan, and it's going to allow your banana bread to come out smoothly when it is well baked. Proceed to scooping your batter into your baking pan. Make sure you scoop out every bit of batter from your plate. We do not want any form of waste over here. The next thing to do is to tap your batter on your work surface to remove every excess air that has been trapped, and also to help the even distribution of your batter into your baking pan. I'm going to go ahead to generously coat the top of my pan of my banana bread batter with my toppings. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm using some peanuts, some cashew nuts, and some almond nuts, and this is what everything was looking like. Proceed to baking in your preheated oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, and this is what we have, guys. The most delicious and very moist banana bread that is so delicious to enjoy. This is a full breakfast option that can be served with some hot chocolate or some yogurt, or anyhow you choose to enjoy your banana bread. This is so good. Kindly check the description box below for the accurate measurement of everything that I used in this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you've watched until this point, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.